Watch this incredible exterior home transformation.
And here we are, getting the house ready to paint. We're prepping the brick with a special Sherwin-Williams masonry primer called Luxon Masonry Brick Primer. And we're getting the house ready for painting as well. We recently installed new Hardie Soffit Fascia siding throughout the whole house and garage. We went ahead and redesigned the trim around the garage, and what I'd like to call it as picture framed it. Used to have a bunch of rotted wood at the corners. Now we have Hardie trim that's designed to hold up the test of time. We redesigned this breezeway where it has a central light versus one that's not centralized, and a superior building product called Hardie Siding, Soffit, and Fascia, and trim. This is the vented perforated Hardie Soffit. Helps the roof breathe. And we went ahead and primed and got the chimney all ready for painting. Got to do some brick repairs. This soldier brick fell out during the Hardie trim repair. And the gables all trimmed out and replaced with a new Hardie plank. And this side is replaced as well. Hardie plank, Hardie siding, and Soffit and Fascia. Usually on the upper gables we don't put the vented Soffit. It looks too odd. But on the flat areas we put the Soffit. And we went ahead and primed all the stucco with 2 coats, filled in all the cracks with caulk, and we're getting ready to paint. We're caulking up the trim that we installed, Hardie siding and trim. And we did a brick repair. Used to be a beam here. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Happy House.
I'm Mike too.
This is Mike, and we just finished up re-siding, soffit, fascia, new gutters, new copper color roof. What do you think, Mike?
Phenomenal. I have a happy house. Thanks to Mike and his crew. I'm a happy man with a happy house.
And we love it. We just love the difference this makes for people and makes them happy with their house. That's why we named it Mr. Happy House.
Wonderful experience.
While others don't do the job right, you can rest assured that we stand behind our work. With over 10,000 projects completed with 0 complaints and over 34 years in business, let's transform your home into the home of your dreams.